overhauling purifier. I make document. First, when overhauling purifier, close water, steam, and fuel line. Next, stop the power supply. Then, take out the water supplying device here. Next, take out this one, and then the bolt also. Now finish removing the head. Next, take out the spring. First, take out the Allen bolt. Take out the spring. Then take out this Allen. Take out the bolt. Now finish taking out the cover of purifier. Next, compressing the disc using these tools. We will compress the disc, take out the lock ring. This is the lock ring. We will get the tools. Tight this bolt with torque range 60 Newton meter maximum, so the disc will compress or go down, so you can remove the lock ring of the Alfa Laval purifier. Compress 24. Put bolt the side of bowl, so the lock ring will push toward. Tighten this bolt. So we can remove the already tight the compressing device, and then tight also this one on the side. So by taking out the lock ring, you may also dito, we will direct. Ha? So by removing the bowl top or bowl hood, you can use like this one, the strap, or cannot take out, you can use the tools also to remove this bowl top. Now we remove the bowl top. Ah, yeah. Put some markings. After cleaning the bowl, guys, use this tool to remove this one and just slightly piston. This one, so left, by left, to look the bolt. One, the bolt. check. Okay, remove. Next, you will remove the lock, bowl lock, left-handed thread. So, when removing, right turn. Right turn na. Right. Valve will lift up. Valve now is lifting up. You can move the paint block. Okay, enough. Yeah, enough. Take out the bowl. Tight already this one, ha? You tight already this one? Then we take out the spindle. We'll change some bodies, some oil pump. By removing this one, you need tools like this one, so it will lift up. So you will put the tools from here and also from here. It will lift up this one, and then we can take out the spindle. So tight this one, guys. So it will lift up this one. Tight, equally tight. This one. Look at it will broken this one. Not equal. ka-friend, take out this Allen key. 3 Allen keys. After taking out, put Allen key here also too. It will lift up, and then we can take out now this one by using this tool. By using this tool. So before taking out this complete spindle, you need to loose the belt first. So loose this 4 bolts, and then it will lift up, will sight this one, and then take out the belt. So we can take out the whole spindle. Take out first the belt before taking out this one. Okay. Remove now the spindle. By removing the oil pump from the spindle, you need to take out this cover with 3 bolts. Okay, you can take out. Okay, take out. Easy. Easy. And big, I think there. Wait. Yeah, bearing. Okay, I take off the hair. Compress air. Guys, this is the oil pump of the spindle of Alfa Laval. So have orifice inside. So we need to push by air here.